Let me to show you some low light plants in this video. Welcome back to Thamara's garden. If you are new, consider to subscribe and like this video. ZZ plant grows in the low light well. They don't like the bright direct sunlight. This is one of the indoor plants, one of the feng shui plants. They don't need watering on regular basis. You can grow them with stem cuttings and even with a single leaf cutting. So this is one of the low light plants. Varieties of snake plants. This is Sansevieria, bird nest plant. So friends, this is another low light plant. This is one of the best indoor plants which provides air purifying too. Variety of snake plants. These are ideal for indoors as a house plant. La plant. One of my favorite plants. You must have seen this plant in my videos. This is a easy to grow low care plant too. You can grow them with easily from stem cuttings. Beautiful rubber plant which you can multiply with a single leaf cutting. This is one of the low light loving plants. Keep them in the shade if it is in outdoors. And this is one of the best house plants. Varieties of Dracaena plant. This is one of the plants which loves the shade. It grows well in the low light. You can keep it indoors as an indoor plant too, friends. So this is another plant which you can grow with stem cuttings. The variety of Dracaena. And here I have a spider plant which grows well in the low light. Philodendron varieties also grows well in the low light area. Dracaena variety. Location is very important for plants. If you know the right location, you are a real gardener, because then the plants are saved from the harsh sun. Most of the plants grow well in the semi-shade, especially the house plants. So you'll have to provide them the shady area in your garden. If it is in outdoors, look at this pink syngonium. They grow well in the shade. These evergreen varieties, look at these. All are in planters, medium to large planters, friends. Backbone or pedilanthus also grows well in the semi-shade. This is also another low light plant. Variety of Chinese evergreen. And here I have the bamboo plants. And here is the Erica palm plant.